guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my honey here with me again.
Hi guys.
Yes, we are here today to bring this look to you. It is, according to the caption,
Trust the process.
we tried it. We tried it. So this is from, what's that, Tailor Jane is her name?
Yeah.
Beautiful makeup artist, beautiful YouTuber. So this is what we did. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll leave her information down below as well, and you'll see it on screen. Don't forget to go follow her Instagram, follow everything. If you haven't seen the video that we did before, I'll leave the little pop-up thingy here.
Yeah.
But you guys will see it. So thanks guys for joining us, and I'll see y'all later.
Guys, it is Tailor Jane here, and I am back with another look. Y'all already know what it is. I got the Pete Louis eyeshadow palette, and y'all, I'm serving y'all fiery realness right now, like all because it's beauty right here, and I'm so hyped to bring that to y'all. Louise
$30
eyeshadow palette. It looks like this, and I'm really excited to use it today because it matches my hair so good. So we're not gonna talk anymore. We're just gonna jump straight into it. I'm taking my Huda Beauty complexion perfection pre-makeup base. It looks like this.
Okay.
For that primer?
Yeah. We could try to Fenty something.
Oh.
I'll try it today. So we're with Fenty. It's the first time I'm trying it, so.
Huda Beauty foundations. I ordered these two as well. Ordered two of their foundations. I use normally the color mocha, but I also got the color chocolate mousse. And I think I'm going to be using the color chocolate mousse. And if anything, I'll just add a little bit of the mocha. And I'm going to foundation for the first time.
I think I'm going to use my Anastasia.
I really
Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation.
Which one then?
Espresso. The shade? Espresso.
I'm not going to face my Shana because it's creamy and nice. Let's see how it works on the Fenty though. Should be interesting. Miss me finish.
And go ahead and contour my face. This is the
She's contouring, so I'm going to be using black opal.
The same one I use
This is in the shade Black Walnut.
I'm just talking the whip out. Alright, I'm gonna hit up that nose.
Well, no, this don't happen, right? So this is only for the tube.
Yeah, you don't contour.
I got a ton of new products today. I didn't even realize that I had my card shaped tape in deep and tan sand, and I'm gonna go directly under the eye with 3 low lines.
So I'm going with my Kat Von D D31 warm.
I'm going in with Tarte.
I'm using my makeup addiction.
I mean, blending is important, but
like y'all know.
Wait. Our third concealer she just put in a while ago. It's the third concealer. Look here.
I use sponges, but I really like this sponge a lot.
So we're going with medium 30 from Colourpop No Filter. Yeah. Wait. Just wait. Yeah, blend out like. And I'm gonna use my sponge. Beauty Bake with blending egg. Yeah.
I have deep golden 60.
No, that no light enough, miss. You're gonna use that one here.
Shari.
Yeah, we're gonna use it together. Goody! Let's do this!
Oh Jesus, this is the lightest concealer I've ever used in my life. It's actually not bad. You see the brightening?
Yes, it's brightening, but
it's not me,
Tailor?
but it's brightening.
maybe we can try a thing for chew, you know, so.
This is like special occasion. This is yes. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
So I'm gonna go ahead and set that with some translucent powder.
White.
This beauty blender is damp, so I'm just going in with a damp sponge and just pressing all that in. So I'm just pressing it in. I'm not baking.
Yes.
We're not using white, guys.
So I'm gonna be using the Face by Shannon Loose powder in bamboo,
and I'm using my Sasha Buttercup.
girl.
Let's
My face with some Urban Decay Chill Spray.
Mac Fix Flash.
Mario Badescu. Gee, Shari.
I'm sorry.
I know it's
fan. It's a fan. Wait.
I didn't expect it to come over here.
It's a fan.
Wait.
Oh yeah. Should I use no? I guess it's supposed to work, but when I set the foundation, should I set anything?
So why was spraying if you? Hold on.
No, remember she said the foundation. You know what?
The James Charles video.
Trust the
I'm
process.
doing it a little differently. So like he blends with the sponge and then set with a damp sponge, and then he sprays and then he finished the rest of the powder and he sprays again. And while his face is still wet, he applies.
Alright, so I'm gonna go. Where do?
It feels straight already.
Anyway, so I'm gonna go in with Black Radiance contour palette, something.
And I'm going in with the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer.
Alright, I'm gonna use this one to contour. She said she was bronzing. The bronzing for bronze first.
So I use on bronze?
I don't do these things, miss. You want to use this one?
We're going to use this one.
See me, I learn because
you can use this one if you want to sharpen it
so
up.
I can use this one if I'm mixing it so it don't too dark. You see the sides of my face looks like someone just fight me out.
You see mine?
With the powder, I'm gonna use this powder here.
This part is
Tailor translucent powder, and I'm using the same damp sponge because it melts the product into your face.
I don't see anything melting though. We use warm honey.
yeah,
I
because it's
use
light
toffee.
enough. It's light like that. So today we're gonna go with warm honey. Come, sit here. If I'm doing it, you're doing it too
Not
good.
too much cheese. Sorry. Just imagine it, bros.
Already done?
Yeah.
This is unnatural. You ready?
I don't think you're gonna get any better.
I'm going in with my 7B brush. This brush is so fire. Oh, I'm so excited to use it.
Just wait.
I don't think she do her top, you know.
So she line it out.
No, I mean.
You mean highlight the top? No.
No, not highlights. I don't think she put product on the top of her brow. This soft compared to this.
Oh God, wait, hold on. She did brush up. She brush up. Wait. She brush up the brow and make them look wild.
That looks so good. Like.
You going to do that for you? With the two dark
We're gonna try it.
Alright, fine. We're going to follow Tailor made.
Like, look at the brows though. I'm gonna take my P. Louis eyeshadow base. And she just came out with new colors, which I'm really excited about.
Face by
I'm just
Shanna.
putting this all over the
Same
lid.
LA girl.
Yes, cause
We're using her day nail palette today, y'all. I'm gonna blend that into that concealer. So, both my eyes are primed. Now I'm going in with.
you just wait. Not done blend some yet.
And I'm just going into that P. Louis. It's like a mustard yellow. I love it.
My yellow don't
BH
look like that.
Cosmetic Times is my right brush. This is the number 6 brush. I love this brush. And I'm going to go into this orange. This is my first time dipping into the orange, so I'm really excited. It is like, people like, is it worth the hype? Y'all, it is worth everything. Like, I'm not someone that's just going to talk about something if I don't love it. If I don't truly believe in it. This palette, look at that. Look at the color payoff. And because the base. It's like the base and the palette were made for each other. Alright, I'm going back into that P. Louis color. Now I'm just blending that orange out at the very top, around the edges. Perfect. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, so now I'm going into burnt.
Wait.
Color here. And I'm just using my small tapered blending brush by Makeup Addiction. I'm going right into my crease where I use that orange.
But you can't even see though.
That's what I'm saying. By the time I close my open my eyes.
Jesus.
The red is soft. I thought it was gonna be a little more color payoff, but it's still really pretty. Like you can see it, like you can see it a lot. Never mind, you can see it a lot. I'm tripping.
I'm tired.
I will not even cut the creases.
Shoyan?
No, don't use that purple.
Confused then. The purple. Look here.
Alright, use it.
Lightly I shall use it. I'm done. Why did we choose this one?
Because it's all of them states. Where's she put the purple?
Right.
stand out a lot. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of brown. I'm just praying that this don't ruin the look. Just a little bit, a very, very little bit. I want my crease to be like cut, cut.
Yeah, we're done with that. So she reached brown.
Brown?
So she put it in a little tops in there. And she want her crease to be cut. Like cut. When are we gonna wipe off our face?
We use like 15 shadows or whatever. My gosh.
Oh, she used brown oil. Where she put it?
I'm just going in with the same P. Louis eyeshadow base. But I think it's P. Louis. She was like, oh, you said my name right when I said P. Louis. So, I don't know. But I'm using my Inglass 22 T brush and my P. Louis eyeshadow base. I'm going to go ahead and cut that. Spirits believe the earth gives us what we need. Oh no! Oh no! So I'm gonna take the white out of this palette. It's called Charm.
That white, you know? That's really white.
This is from the 35B palette.
35B?
Yes, goodie.
That white for you.
It's really white. Most of my whites be like shallow. I mean, you know, like sheer. You can still see through them.
This white is white.
Alright, so now I'm going to this color here.
Which color where?
The mustard.
I'm just gonna go into this queen color here. Oh no, I'm not.
No.
I'm gonna go into this burst color here. I'm gonna top this right on.
That's from the blush palette.
Alright guys, you tried it. This is the look. I hope you all enjoyed. Yeah, so I'm tired. I'm
tired. Jeez.
Do you guys take this long to do your makeup? Like, do you do the entire process like that?
Sherry's 10 to 1.
Yeah.
And what time I reached?
We started at 10:30.
Yeah. And it's 10 to 1. 10 to 1.
The process did long. But how did you think we did? Come. But though,
and
yeah,
Sherry draw me out. Like, this is not Leanne. Like, I don't do colors
no. If you guys watch her channel, it's all lip gloss and cutesy popsy stuff. Yeah, there's no color there.
But I'm really glad though, because look at it.
Yes, I'm happy I drew her out as well. Yeah. I really like it. She has the eyelid space for all of this, guys, and she's trying to play coy and be all cute about it. It works and I love it. But this is the look. But this is the look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. New subbies, welcome. If you're not subscribed yet, what are you waiting on? Really? I'll leave Leanne's information down below. Hers Jen_MU artistry. Yes. I'll leave all of that information down below. Her Instagram, her YouTube, our phone number, our address and stuff. We leave everything down below. Thank you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.